Justin from Humble has a question about a smart thermostat.
He's moving into a home that was built in 2014, so it's relatively new.
Oh, yeah.
Justin writes, I'm doing some research before I move in. I want to install a smart thermostat, and they all mostly require a C-wire for installation. Is there a good chance that a newer home like this will come with a C-wire at the thermostat location?
Only one way to find out. Take the thermostat off and count how many wires you have.
Okay.
It's that simple. But we installed a Nest thermostat in your home a long time ago, and it took the standard 4 wires.
And
So,
is the C-wire one of those 4 wires?
well, I don't know where he comes with a C. It comes by color.
Okay.
But I don't know what he's looking at. Some of these might need a 5th wire. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I know the Nest doesn't. The
No,
Nest
the
only
Nest
uses
is a
the
4
4
wires, so
right.
that one I can say with confidence, you can probably use what's there because you're always going to have a 4 wire. You have a white, a yellow, a green, and a red.
But
and just match up the colors.
Just, I'm going to give you a little tip, okay, on that Nest thermostat. If you have a zone system, you can't use a Nest.
Really?
The Nests do not get along in zone systems. You'll have to use a Honeywell or something else.
Okay.
We tried forever when we moved here into the palatial Mojer Media complex. We have a zoned AC upstairs, and those 2 Nests fought with each other up there.
Makes sense, actually.
Yeah, so if you're going to go zone, don't go Nest.
Okay.
All right. I'm the home improvement guy for a minute.
Yeah, he's Mr. Electronic.
Yeah, that's.
I put the thermostat in. He started getting on his phone doing this. I said, "What are you doing?" He said, "Well, I got to make it work." I said, "Oh my God!"
Right.
I don't want.
Well,
one.
you want to have fun.
I don't want
We
one.
just got a new security thing put in at the house because we found out our homeowners insurance requires it. And yeah, I was like, oh, okay. So we've got. We went to this company that everything on it is wireless, and it uses a touchpad on the wall. Okay, I'll just tell you, it's Vivint is who we went with, and they have cameras and all this other happy stuff, but it runs off a smart panel at the front door, right?
Okay.
Just like it looks like a giant iPad, and then there's a touchpad at the back door.
Oh God!
Right. Well, the back door, because that's where we usually come in. That's
That's still
friends and people you like come in the back door. So anyway, so we go back to the back door. And there's no tone or anything, so you don't know if it's armed or not. And when we call them and say, well, why are you using the touchpads anyway? You should use the app on your phone. And it makes perfect sense.
Oh.
So anyway, it just...
See, I don't even have an app. I don't even know what it is. And don't try to explain it to me.
I will instead offer you the opportunity to ask Tom questions yourself. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click, except that. Oh, I'm here to help with that. You can click on the Ask Tom form, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in the video, just like this one.